Namaste and welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited for today's video. First of all, it's Ganesh Chaturthi. So wish you all a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. And secondly, it's a DIY, which is like, I don't know, after so long. So I am really excited and can't wait to share with you guys. Hope you are doing really great. If you are new here, it's so nice to have you here. Please take a minute to subscribe to my channel before your way out so that you won't miss any of my video. And also click the bell icon to stay ahead and watch my videos as soon as they are up on YouTube. And you could be my Doers family. I really hope you like this video, and if you do, don't forget to hit the like button and also share with your friends and families, and also comment below if you have any question about my DIYs and what kind of DIY decoration you are gonna do for this Ganesh Chaturthi. And if you wanna know how I did this makeup, then you have to wait till next week and I'm gonna share with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. So today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful and gorgeous temple at home, and that too only in a couple of hours. I'm just going to shut up and show you the materials so that we can start. You enjoy the DIY and I'm gonna go and start my puja. I'm gonna make each pillar with 3 straws. I'm gonna lay 2 together and make sure they are aligned. Then put the glue on the midline and then I will attach the third one on top of it. At this point, it is very delicate. We can't work on it unless it is really dry. So I'm gonna let them dry outside for some time. They're kind of dry now, so I'm gonna go ahead and attach this red beaded Christmas garland with my pillars. It will not just amplify the beauty but also support the pillars. Now to make the floor and ceiling, I'm gonna wrap those 2 cardboard pieces with that marble printed paper. Measure the paper and cut it out in size. Then take off the back of the adhesive paper and attach it nicely. Make sure there are no air bubbles. Then cut and fold the extra paper from both edges. Make sure the raw edges are not visible. All the raw edges should be in one side. The pipes are already dry. First I thought copper would look nice, but then I changed my mind and sprayed them gold. So the edges are obviously not like real marble surface yet. So to cover it up quickly, I'm gonna attach these mirror tiles. I will need a small scissor to cut these tiles because they're real glass and I don't want to break them. It's a good idea to wear rubber gloves though. If you don't have this at home right now, you can always use nice fabric trim or anything you like. It is looking very nice already. Now this is for the roof. I am gonna trace the lid, the top as well as the side. I'm gonna attach the side first, then fold the extra pieces on top. Then to cover the raw surface, I will attach the circular piece on top of it. We can always cut out the extra hanging stuff if it's there. The edges are still little rough, so I am gonna follow the same technique and cover with the mirror tiles. Then I'm gonna take an ornament and remove the hook and keep it for later use. Then eyeball the midpoint and attach it with hot glue. If you don't have ornament at home right now, you can always take an artificial flower and spray it in gold and attach it. That will look wonderful. I needed a little height for the mandir, so I covered the surface of the empty box with marble paper and attached the floor on top of it. Now this one definitely needs some embellishments. So I'm gonna attach the mirror tiles on the bottom corners. I decided to go for 3x3, 2x2 and 1x1. So the roof is almost done, but the base looks a little empty and the glue is kind of visible. So I'm gonna take this pink beaded garland. I have already measured how much I need and I'm gonna cut the pieces accordingly. I'm gonna make one extra just in case and I will color them gold. If you already have gold beaded garland, then great. Otherwise, do what I'm doing right now. Now I'm gonna just wrap this little piece around the base of the ornament. I decided to went ahead and attach 2 more ornaments on the roof. That really makes the difference. I have painted the pink and green garlands gold. Now I'm gonna cut them in different lengths. I tried to make 2 long and 2 short pieces from each garland. The floor is done and I'm happy with the end result. Now it's time to attach the pillars. I am gonna hot glue them in 4 corners and hold them in place for a few seconds. When they are secure, I'm gonna apply some hot glue on top and attach the ceiling. Excuse my messy background. I cleaned last night, but kids just don't like a clean house, I guess. Now I'm gonna attach the garland in the back side of the mandir. I'm gonna attach the alternate sizes one by one. By the way, when you are working, try to put the extra lengths on some higher surface, otherwise the weight will keep dragging them down. I realized I don't need that long pieces in back, so I'm gonna cut out some small pieces and use them to fill the gaps. The back looks pretty neat now. I managed to save some extra pieces and I'm going to use them to decorate the pillars. I still have a small piece left, so I decided to go ahead and attach it on the roof. It's time to wrap the mandir with fairy lights. That's my favorite part. It is a little time taking, but at the end of the day, you will appreciate the effort. So I used 2 different lights and placed them in such a way so that I can hide the switches under the empty box. So I used the longer one to wrap all the pillars and ceiling and made a zigzag pattern with the extra length. And the shorter one is used to wrap the first step and then the second step and then a little bit of zigzag in the background. And I love the way it came out. You can see how the switches are hidden. It is simple, pretty, and most importantly, it did not take more than a couple of hours. That's great for a busy mom like me. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked this video, and if you did, as always, don't forget to like, share and comment. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do, and also click the bell icon so that you could be my Doers family. I love you guys so much. Hope you enjoyed and hope to see you guys in the next one. Till then, stay well. Bye.